Hey folks, today I have a different kind of video for you, not the usual painting tutorial, but this time a little review. Felix from PK Pro just sent me this Krydrufi painting station for testing purposes, and I decided to make a little review of it. So let's take a look what's inside this box. At first we have a smaller box, it seems. We believe in the power of details. I guess there are the sponges and the papers inside. We will have a closer look at it later. So here's the main thing from this box. This is the Krydrufi painting station. It is quite heavy. It makes a worthy first appearance. So let's take a look what it consists of. At first we have two water pots, or pots, I don't know, plus the, rubber clamps for brushes. Then we have this thing, let's open it. Okay, these clamps are a little tight, but no problem. This is a box where you can store, for example, your brushes when you are not using them, or you can enter the colors when transporting it. The next layer is the wet palette. As we open the clamps, we can remove it. The additional clamps here, I guess when these clamps break, you can use new ones, and a little user manual. Nice and sweet. Then we have a box plus some advertisement. This box is obviously for storage of the brushes when traveling. And then we have a next layer. The clamps are really sturdy. There we go. If we open this box, there are small compartments here where you can store smaller parts. Don't know what exactly, but it will have a reason. Or you can use this this lid probably for colors as well. Yeah, not bad. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes and one wet palette in the set. And here we have 2 sponges. The sponges look quite good. They are dark, which is great. Usually sponges and wet palettes are white, which I don't like that much because you can use them one time before they got stained with color spots, and yeah, these look a little bit cooler in dark colors. Then we have 2 different packages here. Miniature special mixing paper. I don't know why you would need it. I will test it in the future. And a disposable palette paper 4-in-1. There's written by hand 20 sheets and not 10 as it's printed on it, which is quite cool. We got more than is written on the box. That's always good. And there's written you can use it for acrylic, watercolor, gouache and oil. Okay, for our purposes we will obviously use it for acrylic colors, which is fantastic. So what is my first view on the thing? My first view is all the materials seem worthy. They are high quality materials, they are sturdy. I guess they won't break that fast. It seems like a product we can keep for a longer time. What I don't like that much is the size of the wet palette. It's a little bit small. I would wish for a greater one. But for traveling, for painting workshops or painting meetups with friends, this is a total fine size. For my personal taste, for using them every time or every day here at home, I wouldn't use it because it would be way too small. I use a wet palette usually 4 times the size, but as I said before, for traveling it's just the right size, and I will love to use it in future workshops and have all my materials in one spot. Yeah, it's a great product. I can really recommend it for you if you don't have that much space at home, or if you travel a lot to paint with friends. Then it's really fantastic. As I said before, I got it from PK Pro. Thanks a lot for it. It's a great support for me. You can find it in his shop, so take a closer look at his shop, PK Pro. Yeah, it's the biggest and finest hobby shop in the internet. Yeah, this was something new for me. I didn't make a review before. If you like this kind of video as well, or if you like to make like me to make more painting content, please subscribe my channel, leave a like, leave a comment. I would be really happy. If you miss something, please write me too, so I can think over to add other themes to my little channel. So yeah, thank you for watching, and thanks a lot. Please subscribe, that would be an honor for me. And for today I'm out. Thanks.